It just ate the needle.
I could just see the outer edge of a metal needle. So it's really only sitting a few millimeters under the surface. Let's see if we can get the needle out and repump this ball.
The needle's now in my ball.
What we can see is that from last time she used the ball, broke the needle off, outer edge of a metal needle. So it's really only sitting a few millimeters under the surface. But the difficulty is we just can't get in there to get it back out. Let's see if we can get the needle out and repump this ball. From what we saw when we cut open a basketball, we actually had a good look at the valve. So now we can attack this problem with better knowledge than we had before. How does it work on the other side?
I don't think the ball's being pumped. Who would have thought that that would have come in handy?
Because we've seen how the valve works, I feel comfortable pushing the ball till it deflates and then having the needle touch the end till it pushes back out. I was always worried there was like an internal bladder that this would break. Now that we know it's just the air, it's just rubber and air.
You just saved me 50 bucks.
Well,
So let's pump it back up and actually see how long it stays inflated. Because I mean the valve is broken, but I'm okay with pumping it up. Or making it a nice pop plant. Hey, you can make that a pop plant.
not for a $50 basketball.
Better grow money.
Our first method, if it went all the way in, we were able to then push deflate the ball until it got to the point where the bottom touched back here, and the pressure of that was just like pressing on the table here, and it pushed itself out.
That is how you can get a needle out of a basketball, just completely deflate it by pushing on it, and the needle will actually just come out.
I like your method. I recommend this method. What should we call it?
Oh, no, it's just the... Well, it's just,
You get to name it.
Alright, it's just like a push deflate. Yeah, I don't think of it.
Yeah, I haven't got anything.
Yeah, no.
Okay, if you guys can come up with a really good name for like the method that we use to get this needle out, let us know in the comments, and the best one, we'll actually name it that. Let's see if it bounces.